Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Flow, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Kevin. Hello, everyone. It is such a nervous day to be here with you.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. It helps us so much to keep making these lessons.
Yes, please subscribe. Today we have a very special and scary topic. We're going to learn how to follow a recipe, cooking verbs, and how to survive a romantic dinner date.
It's going to be delicious. Let's get started.
So, Emma, how are you today?
I am feeling great, Kevin. I had a nice breakfast. But you look sweating. You look like you just ran a marathon. Why are you sweating?
Because tonight is the night. Remember Sarah from my office, the one who sits next to me?
Yes, the nice girl who helped you with the photocopier on your first day.
Exactly. Well, we have been talking a lot, and I did something brave, or maybe something stupid.
What did you do?
I invited her to my new apartment for dinner tonight at 7 p.m.
That is exciting. A dinner date. That is a very big step.
It is exciting, but also terrifying, because I told her a lie.
Oh no. What did you say?
She asked if I could cook, and I panicked. I wanted to impress her, so I said, "Yes, I'm a great cook. My grandmother was Italian."
Kevin, you are not Italian. You can barely make toast.
I know, but the words just came out of my mouth. So now I have to cook a gourmet Italian meal.
Well, we have a lot of work to do. We need to turn you into a chef in how many hours?
4 hours. I have 4 hours to learn how to cook.
Okay, don't panic. We can do this. Let's start at the very beginning. The menu. What are you going to make?
I decided to keep it simple. I am going to make spaghetti bolognese.
That is a classic. Pasta with a meat and tomato sauce.
But wait, remember the supermarket disaster? I didn't buy meat. I almost bought dog food. So it will be vegetarian spaghetti.
Vegetarian is good. It is safer. Do you have a recipe?
A recipe? No. I thought I would just throw things in a pot and pray.
Kevin, no. Cooking is like science. You need a recipe. A recipe is a set of instructions. It tells you exactly what to do. You need to follow it step by step.
Okay, I'm looking at a recipe on my phone. It says world's best tomato sauce.
Perfect. Read the first step.
Step 1. Prep work. Chop the onions and mince the garlic.
Okay, these are important cooking verbs. To chop means to cut into small pieces with a knife. Do you have a knife?
Yes, I bought a big knife. It looks like a sword.
Be careful.
I take the onion, I put it on the cutting board, chop, chop, chop. Ouch!
What happened? Did you cut your finger?
No, but my eyes, they're burning. Why do onions attack me? I'm crying like a baby.
That's funny. Onions make everyone cry. It is the chemical gas inside them.
I can't see. How can I cook if I'm blind?
Do you have swimming goggles?
Yes, from my beach trip.
Put them on.
Okay, I'm wearing bright blue swimming goggles in my kitchen. I look like an alien, but it works. No more tears.
You are very stylish. Now, what about the garlic?
It says mince. Does that mean cut it really, really small?
Yes, tiny pieces so the flavor spreads everywhere.
Okay, I mince the garlic. Chop, chop. My hands smell terrible now. They smell like a vampire hunter. Is that romantic?
You can wash them with lemon juice later. What is the next step?
Step 2. The heat. The recipe says sauté the onions in olive oil until translucent.
Sauté, that is a fancy French word we use in English. It means to fry quickly in a little bit of hot oil. And translucent means see-through, like glass.
I pour oil into the pan. I throw the onions in.
That sound is the sizzle. It smells good, right?
Yes, it smells like a real restaurant. I'm a chef. Look at me, Chef Kevin.
Don't get distracted. You have to stir it. Don't let it burn.
I'm stirring. Now the recipe says add the tomatoes and let it simmer.
Simmer, that is a very important word. Do you know what it means?
Does it mean boil fast?
No, boil is when the water bubbles aggressively, big bubbles. Simmer is when you turn the heat down to low and it bubbles very gently, little bubbles.
Ah, gentle bubbles, like a jacuzzi.
Exactly.
Okay, I add the tomatoes, I turn the heat down, the sauce is simmering.
While the sauce simmers, you need to add seasoning.
Seasoning, that means salt and pepper.
Yes, and herbs, like basil or oregano.
I check my cupboard. I have salt, I have pepper, and I have chili powder.
Be careful with chili. You don't know if Sarah likes spicy food.
I want to spice up the night, so I add a little chili. Shake, shake.
That looked like a lot of chili, Kevin.
It's fine. It adds kick. Now I need to taste it.
Yes, always taste your food.
I take a spoon. I taste the red sauce.
And
It tastes sour, very sour, like lemons.
tomatoes can be acidic. The recipe probably says to add a pinch of sugar to balance it.
Sugar in pasta sauce? That sounds wrong.
Just a pinch, a tiny bit.
Okay, I see a white jar. It says sugar. I take a big spoon.
A pinch, Kevin, not a spoon.
Oops, I dropped the whole spoon in.
Oh no. Well, maybe it will be okay. Stir it in.
Now, let's cook the pasta. I have a big pot of water. It is boiling.
Did you add salt to the water?
No, why?
Pasta water should be salty like the ocean. It gives the pasta flavor from the inside.
Okay, I add salt. I put the spaghetti in.
Now you have to time it. You want the pasta to be al dente.
Al dente? Who's Al? Is he a friend?
No, it is Italian. It means to the tooth. It means the pasta is cooked but still a little bit firm, not mushy.
I hate mushy pasta. It feels like eating worms.
Exactly. So check the time. How do you know when it's ready?
I heard a trick. You throw the spaghetti at the wall. If it sticks, it's ready.
Kevin, please do not throw food at your clean walls.
Too late. Splat.
Did it stick?
Yes, it stuck to my calendar right on Friday.
Okay, that means it's ready. Drain the water.
I pour it into the colander. That's the bowl with holes.
Now mix the sauce and the pasta together.
It looks red and beautiful. I did it. I made dinner.
You cooked the food, but a date is not just about food. It's about the atmosphere.
Atmosphere?
Yes, the feeling in the room. Is your apartment clean?
Mostly. I shoved my dirty laundry under the sofa.
That works. Did you set the table?
Yes, I have 2 plates. I have forks. I have knives.
Do you have napkins?
I have a roll of toilet paper.
Kevin, no. You cannot put toilet paper on the table for a romantic date.
Why not? It is soft.
It is for the bathroom. Do you have paper towels?
Yes.
Use those. Fold them nicely into triangles.
Okay. Fancy triangles. Check.
What about lighting?
I have the big fluorescent light on the ceiling. It is very bright. It feels like a hospital.
No, turn that off. Use a lamp or candles.
Candles! Yes! Nothing says romance like fire.
Just be careful, don't burn the house down. Put some soft music on.
Jazz music. Smooth jazz plays.
Perfect. Now you are ready.
Ding dong.
That is the doorbell. She is here.
Oh no, my heart is beating fast. I am sweating again. Do I look okay?
Take off the swimming goggles.
Oh right, I forgot I was wearing them. I take them off. I have red circles around my eyes.
You look fine. Go open the door.
I walk to the door. Deep breath. Inhale, exhale. I open it.
Sarah is standing there. She looks lovely.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Kevin. Wow, something smells interesting.
Welcome. Please come in.
She walks in, she sees the table, she sees the candles. Wow, Kevin, this looks so romantic.
Thank you. I cooked special Italian pasta, just like my grandmother used to make. Lies, all lies.
You sit down, you serve the food.
I put a big pile of spaghetti on her plate. It is steaming.
Bon appetit.
She picks up her fork. She twirls the pasta. She brings it to her mouth.
This is the moment of truth.
I am watching her face. She chews once, twice.
Her face changes.
She stops chewing. Her eyes get wide.
Does she look happy?
She looks confused. She swallows slowly.
Kevin?
Yes? Is it good?
It is unique.
Unique?
Did you put candy in this?
Candy? No, just tomatoes, onions, and seasonings.
She takes a sip of water. It is very sweet, like dessert pasta.
I take a bite. Oh my God.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like strawberry jam mixed with garlic. It is disgusting.
The sugar. You put too much sugar.
And then the chili kicks in.
Oh no.
Sarah starts coughing. And now it is spicy. It is sweet and spicy.
It is a disaster.
I am mortified. I want to die. I am so sorry, Sarah. I ruined it. I'm not a chef. My grandmother isn't Italian. She's from Ohio.
You confessed. Good. Honesty is better.
Sarah looks at me, and then she starts laughing.
She is laughing?
Yes, she is laughing so hard she is crying. Kevin, this is the worst meal I have ever eaten.
That hurts.
But, she says, it is the funniest date I have ever had.
That is sweet.
Let's throw this in the trash and order a pizza.
The magic word, pizza.
So, we threw the candy pasta in the bin, we ordered a large pepperoni pizza.
And
we sat on the floor, ate pizza, and talked for hours. It was perfect.
see? Sometimes a disaster is better than perfection. It breaks the ice.
Yes, but she made me one promise.
What?
She will cook next time.
That is a very smart decision.
So, the date was a success, even though the food was poison.
I'm proud of you, Kevin. You tried.
Now, let's take a little break from my disasters and look at some useful words for talking about cooking. These are words we use today.
Yes, a mini vocabulary lesson. We will explain them simply.
First word, recipe.
A recipe is the list of instructions to make a meal. It tells you the ingredients and the steps. If you don't follow the recipe, you get sweet garlic jam.
Exactly. Next word, ingredients.
Ingredients are the food items you need, like eggs, flour, tomatoes, onions. They are the building blocks of the meal.
Next is a verb, chop.
Chop means to cut something into pieces with a knife. You chop onions. You chop carrots.
Next word, mince.
Mince is similar to chop, but much smaller. You mince garlic into tiny, tiny pieces.
Next word, simmer.
Simmer is cooking liquid over low heat. Small bubbles, not big bubbles.
And what about boil?
Boil is high heat. Big bubbles. You boil water for pasta.
Next phrase, al dente.
This is Italian. It describes pasta that is cooked just right, firm, not soft or mushy.
Next word, seasoning.
Seasoning is salt, pepper, herbs, or spices. It adds flavor. Note, sugar is not a seasoning for pasta.
I learned that lesson. And one more, sauté.
Sauté means to fry quickly in a small amount of oil. Use sauté onions to make them soft.
And finally, drain.
To drain means to remove the water. You drain the pasta using a colander.
I feel very smart now. I know the words, even if I can't do the actions.
So let's summarize for our learners. To talk about cooking, you need action verbs like chop, boil, fry, and nouns for the items like pot, pan, and ingredients.
Yes, and if someone asks you, can you cook, you can say, I can follow a simple recipe.
Or you can say, I'm learning to cook.
Or, in my case, I'm an expert at ordering pizza.
That is a very useful skill too.
Now, let's pretend. Emma, what is your signature dish?
My signature dish is chicken curry. I make it spicy and creamy. It is delicious. What about you, Kevin? What is your real signature dish?
My signature dish is cereal. I put the cereal in the bowl, I pour the milk, I never burn it. It is perfect every time.
You are a master chef of cereal.
Now it's your turn to practice. We have our question of the day for you. This is the best part because we love reading your comments.
Are you ready for the question?
The question is, what is your biggest cooking disaster?
Oh, good question.
Did you burn the toast? Did you put salt in your coffee?
Did you serve raw chicken?
Or did you make candy pasta like me? Please tell me I'm not the only one.
Please write your answer in the comments below. Use English if you can, but even a few words are fantastic. We read as many as we can.
And while you're there, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, English Daily Flow. It helps you because you'll see our new videos, and it helps us to keep making lessons for you.
Yes, hit that subscribe button. Our next video will be about daily routines.
Routines.
Yes, now that you have a job and a girlfriend, you need a schedule. You can't just sleep and eat pizza.
That sounds difficult, but useful.
So, from both of us, thank you so much for spending this time with us today practicing your English.
You are doing something amazing. Keep practicing.
Have a wonderful, delicious day.
Bye, everyone. Don't eat the yellow snow, and don't put sugar in spaghetti.